Hello again and welcome. It's VE day today and we're in the kitchen baking, and this time it's Irish soda bread. No need for yeast, so all is good. Hello everyone, it's VE day today and we're doing a bit of baking to take to our neighbours who want to share a glass of champagne at a social distance. So I'm just going to make some bread to go with it. And yeast has been a massive problem for many of us. And this is just an Irish soda bread, so no yeast required. So let's start. Line a baking tray with baking paper and set aside, and oven onto 200. Darling, don't show around my messy kitchen. It's covered in baking. So 250 grams of brown bread flour, tiny bit short, I don't have any more, so I'm going to just top it up with a little bit of strong bread flour. It's only 10 grams or so. There we go. Next, teaspoon of fine sea salt. I actually already did that, I put that in the flour. And 1.5 levels. This is bicarbonate soda, 1.5, and this is the raising agent instead of yeast. That's that. Insert measuring cup into the lid. What have I done with it? Next, and that's 30 seconds. It's just going to mix that first. Another thing, buttermilk. I didn't have any. You can often not find it in the supermarkets, but you can make your own. So I've got 250 grams of milk, and I've added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 15 minutes later, you have your own buttermilk. So that's easy. And we're making this soda bread with feta cheese, and it did ask for sunflower seeds. Again, no can do. So I'm going to try poppy seeds. First time I've ever made this recipe. What do you reckon, Sanders?
Go either way. Quite confident.
Oh, yeah. I've got to turn the camera around so that you can see my husband.
No.
He's dressed up for the occasion. We've just had a family Zoom, and he's put on his what outfit is it?
It's a D-mob suit.
Oh, bugger it. Next, feta cheese. There we go, in it goes. Next, measuring cup into the bowl. And it's got it on the reverse blade here, if you can see that. So it's like just stirring for 1.5 minutes. So should we come back to you? So that was easy, just bring it all together into a round, onto a baking sheet, and then I'm just going to score it so it cooks evenly across the top into 4, push that back in, and into the oven for 20 minutes or until golden and it sounds hollow. So in it goes, and we'll see you in a bit. So I've had to put it in for an extra minute, and here we are. And the way to test if it's done is to pop it over, and you should hear that hollow tapping sound, and then you know that it's cooked through. So we just now leave that to cool and enjoy.
Good afternoon. Rightio, as you see, I'm dressed up like a complete banana, but that's because it's VE day and I'm wearing my D-mob suit, or something like that. Anyway, just around here, we have a selection of bits and pieces. We're going to go out and give to our neighbours and whatever who are all coming outside at 3 o'clock to toast to VE day. So here we have Victoria sponge coming along there, jam made in Thermomix, the strawberry jam, the icing sugar with the sugar ground in the Thermomix. And here's some more of the icing sugar to go on the top at the end. We have some, oh yeah, Isabella's making a VE sign to go on top there, so that looks all very festive. The lemon drizzle cake, beautifully all done. And the chocolate cake.
Torte.
Chocolate torte, that'll be the fella.
Yeah.
There we go. Loads of cake, bit of bread. That's food sorted for the day.
Happy
VE Day.
So that was a bit of fun. Thank you as ever for watching, and if you need to know more, just get in touch. Happy VE Day.